QR code on PC. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, head over to your preferred browser and then search for STEM. Then simply log into your account. And once you are inside your account, what you have to do is simply right click on your cursor and then tap on create QR code. And this will be the QR code for your STEM account. But if you are looking for the QR code for signing in the mobile phone, this is the QR code you are looking for. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.